beautiful grizzle hen. This is from the best lines of Koopman, from the first Victoria Falls winner. Combination with return Floyo from Veenstra. Best $1 million pigeon ever with the best average. And this combination with inbreeding to Suchi. That's where the color comes from Frost. Suchi winning first national Souterrain, 611 birds. And this is a very special hen. Fits very well to your cock from Oliver. Super combination, so you have the quality and you have the color. Very soft feathers, will be great in your country. Thank you.